will the flex fit into a Milwaukee pack out? This is the Flex Stack Pack compatible. You got storage cord wrapper, stack pack goes on the edges. Might be able to fit there, but we're gonna see if we can get it to fit. It says ultimate organization. An attachment keeps cord organized in state of transport. Yes, we got the pack out, so that is Milwaukee. This is Flex. As you guys do know, we do sport all the colors. We are not color specific on this channel. Alright, so we got a bracket. We got another bracket. Another bracket. Another bracket. It says Flex. And then we got some hardware. So we're gonna see about this mount hardware. We're gonna see if it actually fits. First thing we gotta do is we're gonna have to see if these actually fit in here. This is the hardware that they got. Oh, what do you know? Very similar to Milwaukee, no doubt. We are gonna have to drill into our box, at least this part. We're gonna measure from here to here, make sure we're around the same height. I'm gonna go ahead and put it just below the Milwaukee sign right here. We want the letters to stand out. So I don't know, I think they just, yeah, that's where they go. We're gonna take our measurements from here to here. We're just gonna go ahead and do 3 inches. So lower this a little bit more. We got our old trusty ink saw. You're gonna have to get 2 of these 1 to 1.5 inch screws that just fit in between this plastic and the metal part of the pack out. Go to your nearest hardware store. What I did is I just went to Harbor Freight and I got one of those kits. And then you need to get a 5/32 for the ones that I have, about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger. We're gonna have our buddies at Flex go help us out with this task. Very important task. We drilled into the pack out. The moment of truth, guys. So we're gonna stick this right in there. And just to be on the safe side, we're gonna put a washer in this, so it does help the plastic. I'm pretty sure it's already reinforced. Yeah, it's reinforced already, but some old school. Oh boy, this is in there. It's not coming off. Just to be on the safe side, we're gonna put this nut on the back. All right, it's nice and tight, solid. Then we're gonna get our hardware. Find the screws that go in there. You need to get yourself 4 of those, 2 for each side. We got the Flex bracket. Flex is what's next. You put your screws in there. Just do one at a time. And then obviously you want to get the bit with the extension. Not over tighten it, because this is plastic. Alright guys, we are in. Same thing with this side. On the back here, we're going to put the nut just to be safe. Alright, so it's very robust, guys. We do have these brackets on the pack out, so if we ever in the future we want to put some more brackets from the Flex here towards the back, or we got some pockets here we can put down on the corners, we're able to do it, or move this around if we want to. If we don't like this here, we're going to move it down to the first box. We can do that, guys. I'm going to have some more of these accessories for the pack out toolbox. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.